Today I'm here to give you an overview of the Liebherr T41-7S telehandler. Checking the engine oil. Check the coolant. Fill the washer bottle. Fill if necessary. Check the coolers for cleanliness. Overall condition and leaks. Checking the wheel nuts and the tyre pressure for the model of tyre. Checking the lights and mirrors for damage and cleanliness. Lubricate the tilt cylinder and lubricate the front axle. Fill the diesel tank. Check the hydraulic oil level in the sight glass. Check the cabin filter. Fill the AdBlue tank. Lubricate the sliding surfaces of the boom with the correct grease. Checking the wear guides in the boom. Lubricate the rear axle. Lubricate the rear slides of the telescope with the correct quality of grease.